Hi, and welcome to the module on talking about the hierarchy of formulas inside of Excel. If you have a look at the spreadsheet in front of us, what we've got here is from January to June and various areas in terms of population density. And what we'd like to do is we'd like to look at the percentage of change. So over here I've already created a formula to calculate that, but let's go back to the beginning. And the reason why I'm teaching you this is because often there are errors in formulas, and the first thing to look at when there's a particular area is the wrong use of parentheses. So for example, if I want to see the change from January to February, technically just by looking at that I can tell you that it's basically an additional 14. So there's basically a 50% change in the value from 28 to 42. Now with a standard calculator, how we would calculate that is we would take a difference of the two values and then we would divide by the initial value. Now this now gives us an answer of 41, which I know is not correct. So let's have a look at why this is actually happening. Excel looks for certain symbols in formulas and uses those symbols first before moving on to the next one. And in this particular case, it's doing the division first. So if we double click on the cell, you can see that Excel is basically dividing B6 by B6, which gives you an answer of 1, and then taking 42 less 1, which gives us the answer of 41. So to correct this, what we need to do is we need to use parentheses to tell Excel to do the subtraction first. So you would put parentheses around the data that you would like to do first and then see what kind of answer you are getting. Now in this particular case we would just change our data to a percentage so that we can see the right answer. Now in column A from cell 9 to 12, this is what we call the order of operations. So the first thing Excel will do, will check for parentheses and does that first. The next thing over here is a caret. It's not something we use all the time unless you deal with a lot of mathematical applications. So for example, if I've got a number 56 and I wanted to work out what 56 squared is, I would say equals that, use my caret symbol, and we'd get a squared answer. The next one is your multiplication and divide, and then your addition and subtraction. So this is the order of operations that Excel does everything in. And it's something to always look for when you find that there's an error in your formula, because most of the time it's either the misuse of parentheses or the lack of parentheses in a standard Excel function.